Hello, welcome to a video on how to bypass FRP. First, I would like to apologize for the quality of the video, and I am using an LG phone that has a broken screen, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. After watching many videos online on how to bypass FRP, I end up using 2 to 3 methods combined to open this phone. And I will show you today exactly what I did. Hopefully this will work for you. You will need a Bluetooth headset device and possibly another phone. And also I just want to go ahead and say that I am no tech and I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your phone. I had to figure this out on my own, so I just thought that I would share. So let's get into the video. Okay, here we have the welcome screen. We have to go and turn on the Wi-Fi. So we're gonna skip until we get to the internet connections. Connect to your Wi-Fi, enter your password, hit connect. And then skip that, and we're going to go back to the welcome screen. Then we want to use both of our thumbs or 2 fingers to hold down on the screen until you hear a double beep, and that will activate Talkback. Once you've activated the Talkback, you are going to make a L across the screen. If it does not work for the first time you do it like maybe 4 or 5 times until it shows up. Then you want to click on Talkback settings. Then you want to use 2 fingers to scroll to the bottom. And we are looking for help and feedback. Tap once, then double tap. Then you want to click on About Switch Access for Android. Tap once and double tap. It will take you to this screen. Then we want to go ahead and suspend Talkback, which is holding down on your volume up and your volume down button. As you can see, this phone's volume up and volume down button is located on the back. So I would have to hold both of those to suspend Talkback. Okay, there we are. Tap, one tap, double tap for OK. So now we can play the YouTube video. Once you've played the YouTube video, click on Switch Access for Android. It will take you to YouTube. Click Not Now. It's just asking if you want to update. We don't want to do that yet. So pull down the video. Click on the menu button, the 3 little dots up there. Click on Privacy Policy, and it should take you to Google Chrome. Click Accept and Continue. We don't want to sign in, so we're gonna say no thanks. Okay, here we want to go to the Google page. And then we are going to type in this address that I will flash across the screen for you. So once you get there, then you're going to click on that one that says Downloads. Then you want to scroll down until you see MTS. Download that one. Sometimes you have a pop-up screen, so just click on it and just exit out of it and try it again. There we are. Then you want to hold down on Gmail actually. So yeah, we click on data and then it should take us to this page here. Then we want to click view app settings. Then it will take us to this page. Then click on manage accounts. Okay. And now we're in the settings. So we want to go ahead and look for apps. Okay, no, my apologies. Go back. We have to look for security and then phone administrator. And we are going to deactivate that. Sometimes it shows that it's still on, so just come back out, go back in just to make sure it's off. Then we want to go to, yeah, as you can see there, unknown sources is grayed out, so we want to fix that, of course. So we want to go to apps and select the three dots and select show system. Then we want to find Google Play Services. Hit on storage, clear cache, go back and disable. Click yes. Force stop, click OK, go back. Then we are looking for the setup wizard. We want to go to the storage, clear cache, go back, click force stop, click OK, go back. Do that for both of them. Clear data, clear cache, force stop. And also the same for Google Services Framework. Disable. Out of that. Play Store as well. And then we want to come back out and we want to go ahead and enable the Bluetooth. Here we turn that on and we want to go ahead and connect our Bluetooth headset to that. Here I'm using a BlackBerry Bluetooth speaker phone. So I'm going to connect this device to the phone. Okay, thumbs up, it's connected. So we're gonna go back. all the way back to the welcome screen again. Here we go. Okay, this is where we use the speakerphone to connect to the Google app. So you would hold down when it says listening, say open Google. At the bottom, you will see view search results. Click on that. Once you see Google come up, then we are just going to search for any random business place number. You can type in what I'm typing in, or if you know any business place. Click on the number and the phone should open. Yeah, the phone app will open. So we're going to delete the number and you need to dial star number sign 4636 number sign star. Once that's open, you're going to click on the usage statistics, then hit the back button and it should bring you back to the settings. And we go to security, and there you will see unknown sources is no longer grayed out and you can turn it on. So we go back. Click on show system again and click on all of those that we disabled. We need to enable them back. Okay, so then we're going to go right back to the welcome screen once again. Talkback should still be activated, so we're going to go ahead and draw the L across the screen again, and we're going to go back to the same procedure what we did before. So you're going to go to Talkback settings, tap, double tap, scroll down with 2 fingers to help and feedback, tap, double tap. About switch access for Android. So I'll just let you watch this part because we did this before at the beginning. Okay, so then we're back on the Google page, and this will be the website that you will need to go to. I will flash it across the screen once again. It's a different website, but I will definitely put it on the screen for you. So we're going to go down to bypass Google account and click on Apex Launcher. We have to download that. click on update permission. Click allow, click OK to download. I'm going to click open package installer, click OK, install. When it's finished, click open and it should take you in to the phone.